Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about one interesting application for your iPhone. In this application you can also view some top hashtags for Instagram, which you can also use and copy by one click and become more popular and just gain more followers on your Instagram page. So for doing this, you just need to go to App Store and just write in App Store in search tab hashtag manager for Instagram. So here you can see it. So just click on open, and so you will not see open because you didn't install it. So you just need to download and install this app. Just click on get, and after you can also open it. So here you can see that you need to log in with Instagram. So after you log in with Instagram, you will see all of different categories for different for Instagram. So after you will log in, you will have access for using this application. So I hope that I will help you. So just try, and I hope that you will find many different interesting things in this app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.